Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to easily move your bookmarks from the navigation panel in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the side panel icon at the top right corner of your browser window. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it, and then tap the down arrow. Step 3. From the options that appear, select Bookmarks. Step 4. Locate and select the bookmark that you want to move. Step 5. Tap on the 3 dots icon, also known as More. Step 6. In the drop-down menu, select Edit. Step 7. Finally, choose the folder where you want to move the bookmark and click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your bookmark from the navigation panel in Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy bookmark organizing.